and welcome to my water marble tutorial. This tutorial will be using the color paints, and it is one of my absolute favorite designs. We are going to make a bullseye. You will start by dropping in your polish. Here I started with the turquoise, then you will add 1 drop of blue, then you will add 1 drop of purple, then you will add a drop of pink, this polish is just spreading perfectly in the water. Add a drop of green and then a drop of yellow, and that is the order the polish is going to go in, so you will repeat that pattern a couple more times. I didn't speed this part of the video up at all. I wanted to be able to do it right along with you, and so you could see how long it actually takes. So you have to move quickly, but carefully at the same time. And here is the bullseye. Now you will start at the same ring as seen and drag to the center. You will drag from the opposite side to the center and dip. Now move towards the top of the cup and drag to the center and dip. Then from the bottom, we will drag to the center and dip. And make sure to clean off your tool. And then we will go within those petals, drag down to the center and dip. And dip. You could use this design right here or keep drawing more petals. And here is the finished design. I'm going to turn the cup around and choose just the right part that I'd like to put on my nail. This is for my index finger. So I found one more thing I wanted to mess with. Make sure to quit or walk away when you're done before you mess it up. I just couldn't leave that part alone, but now I like it. So let's dip. And here we go. I love how these came out. So just take some time to clean up, add a top coat, and take a picture in the sunshine. It's gorgeous. Thank you for watching. I will have the other video linked here below.